us into a new era.
The Mercedes-Benz S-Class has long been a benchmark for luxury, and the all-electric 205 EQS continues this legacy with an equally luxurious experience. Its softly rounded design gives it a sleek, fluid appearance. Available with either a single motor powering the rear wheels or dual motors for all-wheel drive, the EQS can be tailored for either maximum range or up to 516 horsepower for impressive performance. For 2025, the EQS gets a refreshed front-end design, replacing the previous faux grille and inset logo with a 3-bar pattern and a standing hood ornament, bringing its look closer to the gas-powered S-Class. However, the most notable upgrade is the larger 118.0 kWh battery pack, up from 108.4 kWh, which enhances the driving range. Improvements to the regenerative braking system further contribute to the increased range, according to Mercedes. The EQS 450 Plus features a single rear-mounted motor generating 335 horsepower and 419 pound-feet of torque. The EQS 450 4MATIC adds a front motor for all-wheel drive, maintaining 335 horsepower while boosting torque to 590 pound-feet. Meanwhile, the EQS 580 4MATIC offers a combined 516 horsepower and 611 pound-feet of torque. Every EQS comes equipped with adaptive air suspension, wheels ranging from 19 to 21 inches, and standard rear axle steering, which can pivot the rear wheels up to 10 degrees for better maneuverability. In performance tests, the EQS 450 Plus accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds, while the more powerful EQS 580 achieved the same in 3.7 seconds. All 2025 EQS models include a 118.0 kWh lithium-ion battery, an increase in capacity from the previous year. Although the EPA has yet to release updated range estimates for the 2025 models, Mercedes claims an 11% improvement, potentially giving the most efficient version, the EQS 450 Plus, a range of up to 390 miles per charge. Mercedes has seamlessly adapted the S-Class's luxury and refinement to the electric EQS. The interior is opulent and loaded with advanced technology. Even the base EQS 450 Plus comes standard with features such as LED headlights, air suspension, a panoramic roof, augmented reality navigation, Burmester 3D audio, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate preconditioning, adaptive cruise control, active parking assist, and customizable 64-color ambient lighting. The starting price for the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS is expected to be approximately $105,550, with higher trims and options pushing the cost up to $137,000.